We've seen 1, 2, 3 single replacements so far. They are always defined by an element reacting with a compound. In each of the ones that we did, we reacted a metal, aluminum, and then barium, and then gold. Those are all metals, but not all elements on the periodic table are metals. Some, like fluorine and chlorine and bromine and oxygen, are nonmetals. When we have a nonmetal, we have to look at it a little bit differently. That fluorine doesn't want to bond, doesn't want to replace something that is positive. It wants to kick out the anion, the second part of my compound. So when I'm looking at the thing by itself, I'm looking at, is that a metal or is it a nonmetal, specifically a halogen? So just like we have an activity series of metals, which one's able to kick out the next one? If the thing by itself is up near the top, then it can kick out something below. In this case, we have the same idea, but fluorine is not on our list of metals, so we can't use it to kick out something else from the list of metals. Fluorine is right next to it on the list of halogens, so fluorine can maybe kick out something from the list of halogens. We see that fluorine is up at the top, so that means it is the most reactive and most able to replace something else. So we can do our reaction. We make our new compound, which is sodium fluoride, because we kept the sodium, but we put the fluorine in with it. And then you saw my little mistake there. I was ready to call it bromide, but when an element like this is by itself, it just gets the name of the element. As I write my formulas, I am thinking about what is the correct formula for each thing. Well, sodium is +1, bromine is -1, sodium is +1, fluorine is -1. So I know my two compounds are correct, but we remember that along with several other friends, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine are diatomic. We have that list on the board and on the back of the periodic table, that bromine, iodine, nitrogen, chlorine, hydrogen, oxygen, and fluorine, and I put them in that order because they are the Brinkelhoff diatomic elements. But the idea of the single replacement hasn't changed. We've got something that isn't in a compound, and we look, is it reactive enough? Is it close to the top of the list to replace something down below it?